Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to our part 5, chapter 7, Physiology and Injuries in Sports. Today we will study about the prevention from sports injuries. Last class we have already studied about the causes of sports injuries. As you know, in games and sports, the 100% prevention is never possible, but it can be prevented or minimized by considering these certain steps. First one is proper warming up. Here proper warming up means the general and specific warming up. That is, it must for the player and before the participating in any physical activity, they should start with warming up. Warming up helps in toning up the body, muscles, and prepares the player psychological for the coming activity. Thus, it prevents them from accidents or injuries. Next one is medical checkup before doing the activity. That is, players should be properly medically checked before physical activity related, so that there will not be any previous injuries. If there is any previous injury, it will be detected and physical fitness level etc. should be seen. They must be fit to participate in the activity. Next one is proper concentration. Players should play with full alertness and proper concentration over the activity. Players should not have any stress or tension. Moreover, must be mentally ready for the activity. Next comes safety guards and check equipments. The equipment should be properly checked. Players should check themselves the equipments before taking them to the field and their condition. Players should use good quality of equipments along with safety guards. Players should wear proper dress or kit along with the proper shoes, that is according to the surface area. The shoes are to be worn. Next one is regular conditioning and proper skill. Here regular conditioning improves various abilities of the player, like proper skill action, develops specific physical components, strengthens weak muscles and joints etc. Then comes sufficient physical fitness. For the activities of physical education, players should have sufficient level of physical fitness. Thus, players should develop them through regular conditioning. Next comes consider safety means. Here safety means proper training equipments and sufficient free space around the play field while performing sports activities. This means considering safety means. Next comes proper and safe environment. Here safe environment prevents accidents, whereas unsafe environment may cause accidents or injuries. Next one is activity under experts' observation. Here experts' observation is very important. Players should participate in physical activity under the experts' observation, like coach, teacher, instructor, trainer etc. That is known as expert observation. Next comes good coaching skills. Here good coaching skills means helps to improve sports performance. Moreover, it prevents players from accidents or injuries. Therefore, coaching skills is must. Next comes follow rules and regulations. Players should always follow rules and regulations of an activity with true spirit, that is sportsmanship spirit. Next comes consider sports ethics and sportsmanship. Here players should develop and consider sports ethics and sportsmanship. It improves the social qualities of player, thus friendly attitude of players. Next comes the controlling aggression and violence. Players should control their aggression, moreover violence during the games and sports should be also prevented and checked. Next one is proper training methods. Proper training methods. Players should follow proper training methods during practice, whereas overtraining or overexertion of muscles should be avoided during training. Next come follow training principles. Follow training principles. 15th one. Following the principles, training principles in a progressive manner. The players should always follow the training principles in a progressive manner. These principles helps in preventing accidents and injuries. Next one is balanced diet and good posture. Here, players should take balanced diet according to the activities need. That is, so many activities are there. According to the activities, the diet should be taken. Moreover, they should maintain good posture also during the activities. Next comes knowledge of health education and first aid. Players should have sufficient knowledge about health education and healthy habits. Moreover, they should be practically trained to give first aid to the injured players. Last one is training regarding safe escape. Yes, training regarding safe escape means the player should be well trained and guided properly regarding safe escape from disaster or accidents like line movement, knowledge about free fire extinguisher, then disaster management techniques, helping the drowning persons, etc.